is ground floor plan. This wonderful design, very wonderful design. You will see today. This first floor plan. First floor plan, number of 5 bedroom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The big hall, lobby, and all attached bathroom. Ground floor plan. So we will see our this floor plan, wonderful floor plan design. So this is our big entrance this side and one entrance this side. So our door coming here, and we are accessing. This is wide open. This 420 by 300 lobby, and this our gents hall majlis area 810 by 600 centimeter. This our window, this wonderful window design, and this our open, this corridor, and this side our open. This corridor 5 meter by 194. This full open, and this side open for wash entry. So we are accessing here also, here also, here also. So we will see, this is our door. This maid room, and like this. So this is our kitchen. Kitchen we have given both sides, 486 by 5 meter kitchen. This maid room 4 meter. This is store 400 by 240. This wide living, wonderful shape design. This column for design inside 817 centimeter by 600 this side. This dining room. So this we access from here, and this side 290 by 360 centimeter. This is also wide open arch for ladies hall 500 by 640 centimeter, and this is our stair. We are going this side, reaching here also, reaching here also. I am very much inconvenience for the distraction. Please focus my drawing, please. So this is our washroom area, and this is our toilet. This washroom 360 by 190 is 200 by 200 centimeter. This stair we have given for outside service area, service purpose, and this kitchen backside also entrance we have given. This all window, this all window, this all arch design window, something like this. So this is very wonderful, very unique floor plan. So we will go first floor. This is our first floor. I am very much inconvenienced for the distraction, so please focus my drawing. So we are reaching this level from here also and from here also, like this. This is our unique stair. This is our window. This all window. This window. This window. And this side window. This window here. This is window. So we are access this bedroom. This is our bathroom. This open, this washroom area, and this bathroom. This bedroom 5 meter by 6 meter. Small office. 3 meter by 330. This balcony we have given. And again here another bedroom, master bedroom. And this side, this is our open arch. This is open arch. And for this master bedroom we are access from here. And this is our another master bathroom. So if we access here, this 7 meter by 550. This wide lobby open. This all open. One door here also we can see. This 3 meter by 524. This master bedroom. This number of 4 bedroom. Sorry, this number of 4 bedroom. This our bathroom. This all covering dress area, shower, bathroom. 450 by 6 meter, 550 by 330 centimeter. So this all covering one big master bedroom. And here this number of another bedroom, 450 by 5 meter. And this side for this attached bathroom, 450 by 4 meter. This side for this bathroom. Okay, so this is our another bedroom. This side we have given pantry, 2 meter approximate by 350. So this is our three bedroom, one big master bedroom, one wide hall, and lobby. Wonderful design. This all going continuous elevation design purpose. And this dome, this column for dome design purpose. So this is very unique and very wonderful floor plan. I hope you like this floor plan. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.